Remove the safety lock buckle, unplug the connector. Remove the wiping pad. Wash it with tap water, and wring water out before use. Before cleaning, ensure fan is not working. Control WINBOT via the Ecovacs home app and check the driving wheel tracks. If stains are found, pause and clean the tracks with a clean cloth. Wipe the fan with a dry cloth to avoid damaging the suction of WINBOT. Clean the spherical sensors with a dry cloth to maintain its sensitivity. Clean the side rollers with a dry cloth to ensure normal operation of the machine. If you are not using it for a long time, it is recommended that you timely pour out the liquid in the water tank to prevent odors and bacterial growth. This chapter ends here. Thank you for watching. You can also click on the Help section in the app settings to watch more instructional videos.